So once you've connected this, you'll be able to see that there is a light over here. That's a blue light. Once you press this, you can see that the light turns green right over here. So I'll just lift this up, place that charger. Phone starts charging. So like this, you can charge a lot of things. If you're going camping, you can power some equipments, your laptops, lights, anything that you want to do. Slide it like this. Once you've slid it, you can see there is a blue bar. And when I plug this in, there you go. The phone is charging. So like this. So hi guys, welcome to Drive Spark. What we have with us is the Kia Carens Clavis EV, and in this video we are going to check out the vehicle to load feature. Now I'm going to demonstrate it. There is one on the inside and there is one on the outside. So first of all, under the hood, obviously since it's an EV, you have a frunk, you have a 25-litre frunk, and there is the charger. I mean, this is a 3 kilowatt charger, but this is the V2L adapter. Now to open it up, you will have to do this. You have to press this and then it will come out. That's your power button to switch it on and off. And this is where you connect it to the car. So you will connect it to the top of this one. There are two. This is the AC, this is the DC. So you will connect it to the AC. So once you've connected this, you'll be able to see that there is a light over here. That's a blue light. Once you press this, you can see that the light turns green right over here. So once again, there is the blue light, and when you press this, there's a beep that comes and the light turns green. So we'll be demonstrating it with, I have my phone charger with me. So I'll just lift this up, place that charger. Please make sure when you're doing this, your adapter is off. You put it on. Once I plug it in, phone starts charging. And so like this, you can charge a lot of things. If you're going camping, you can power some equipments, your laptops, lights, anything that you want to do. So this is the external V2L. Now there is one on the inside. Before going on the inside, I'll tell you how to remove this because this is very tricky. So you can't just pull it out because it is locked. What you have to do is you have to unlock the car. So you unlock the car, and after you've unlocked the car, this thing will quietly slide off. If you don't do that, don't try to pull it out, you will break something. Also, you have one more thing. Let me just show it to you. So if you place this and it's raining, for example, so you can shut this up. So the wire can come out from here like this. Like this, this will close up. I'm not putting it back again. So yeah, I mean, this is kind of a waterproof thing that they have given. And now let's go on the inside and check out the V2L that is at the second row. So for the second row V2L, you have this over here. It says max AC 250 watt 16 ampere. So how do you operate it? You don't press it, you don't pull it, just slide it like this. Once you've slid it, you can see there is a blue bar. When you put this in, there's a red light and it turns to green. So when it is green, that means that it has started to charge, started to give electricity. And when I plug this in, there you go, the phone is charging. So like this, you can charge your laptop, your phone. If you're going camping, then you can obviously charge a lot of things from this as well. And once you're done, just slide it and close it. So guys, this was the V2L external and internal feature of the Clavis EV. I hope you like this video. I hope this information was useful to you. And if you need to know anything else, let us know in the comment section and we will get back to you on that. I'm Promit signing out. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, be safe and drive safe.